Hey, hello, welcome to my special video series on life coaching, Make Life Easy. I'm here to make your life easy. Throughout this series, I'm going to train you on different tools and techniques which will make your life easy and feasible, and I can say which will make you successful. So, my question to all of you is do you have patience to wait for success? Question mark, a big question mark in front of that. We always try to attempt different things, but we don't have that kind of patience to wait for success. Today we are going to talk about the patience thing in success. We always try to do different things, and especially talking about today's generation. Today's generation is so fast, the T20 generation, right? We want results very quickly, but it doesn't happen with success. I must say that T20 pattern is not yet came in success. Success requires a lot of patience, and the ultimate key to gain the success is the patience thing. You need to try it every day and wait for the results patiently. There is something profound that we learn from the way that the Chinese bamboo grows. Let's take an example of that Chinese bamboo. You take a little seed and plant it, daily water it, and fertilize for how many days? For a whole year firstly, and then see, nothing happens other than a tiny shot poking its head from the ground, I will say. The second year now, wait for the second year. The second year you water it, you fertilize it, and see what happens. Especially nothing happens, I would say. Again, wait for the third year. The third year you water it and fertilize it, and again nothing happens, my dear friends. Makes you wonder if it is even in the ground or not. But surprisingly, the turning point, the highlighted point of this video, the fifth year you continue to water it and fertilize the seed, and then sometime during the fifth year the Chinese bamboo explode and shot up to the 90 feet, unbelievable 90 feet tall in just 6 short weeks. Now what lessons we can take from this? Life is almost like the growing process of the Chinese bamboo, my dear friends. If you are a student, you are a working professional, or you are a sportsman, or you may be in any profession, this video is for you. Here are some key lessons we can learn from this Chinese bamboo, and if we apply, our life will be easy, right? The point number one, the lesson number one is persistence. When we keep putting in efforts but don't see results, many of us are so discouraged, disappointed, that we generally give up. But for those who do things right, are not discouraged and are persistent, who are continuously moving and are persistent, things will happen, my dear friends. The two most important ingredients for success, I always say, is persistence and talent. You must possess both. I will say persistence at the top. Now, second lesson you can take, your foundation. In reality, the incredible growth of Chinese bamboo trees does not happen in just 6 weeks. Point to be highlighted again. Throughout the previous 4 years, the actual growth is happening under the ground, when an incredibly complex root system is established, interwoven outward and upward across vast amount of the land, right? Similarly, before we can see outwardly success, जो बाहर से हमको success दिखता है किसी का, वैसा नहीं होता है. We need to grow stronger from within. In terms of our knowledge, in terms of our attitude, in terms of skill, we need to gain continuously. We need to make that foundation stronger. The third lesson is faith. Just because they do not see the Chinese bamboo tree growing, they doesn't give up. The growers did not stop watering and nurturing it. He was continuously trying to nurture, trying to water it, and that is all we can say, faith. They have faith that the tree will grow, and it is law of nature, my dear friends. You reap what you sow. I repeat, you reap what you sow, and it is a matter of time. It takes time for the success. The law of universe never fails. If we apply this patience formula, the persistence formula in our life, definitely our life will be successful, and most interestingly, life will be easy. And this series is all about, you all know, the series is just to make life easy, and I'm here to make your life easy. And if your life is becoming easy by watching my videos, don't forget to subscribe the channel. You need to subscribe the channel, you need to share this video if you liked it, and keep supporting me. Thank you so much.
इंसान करना है, इंसान